Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for future video notifications. Today's highlighted story is that 2 Los Angeles County Sheriff's captains are on administrative leave following allegations of sexual misconduct. It is unclear when each captain was placed on administrative leave. Both were recently promoted by Sheriff Alex Villanueva. Let me discuss Captain Mark Lucio. He was promoted to lead the Transit Services Bureau, which provides police services to metro buses, trains, and properties. Then there is Captain Donald Rubio. Rubio headed the Community College Bureau. Captain Mark Lucio, who serves on the Chino City Council, was accused in July of sexual assault involving a child, but prosecutors said there was insufficient evidence to file charges. Then there is Captain Donald Rubio. His case has been under review by prosecutors since January. He was accused of rape by intoxication. Now here is an interesting tidbit, everybody. Remember how I stated that Captain Mark Lucio is a Chino City Councilman? Well, because his sexual case happened in Chino, which is in San Bernardino County, the Chino police turned the investigation over to the Ontario Police Department to avoid the appearance of a conflict of interest. And then we know the rest of the story. The Ontario Police Department couldn't find any of the allegations true. Since they all protect their own, here's a suggestion. How about going outside a police department and get an independent review board to investigate the allegations? But no, that's not how it works in this country, everybody.